स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, once again welcome you all. So today's video is all about the online preparation material for your TISNET 2021. I hope all guys are stick with the preparations, right? And those who have not started their preparation or want some boosters to add in their preparation so that they can easily crack the TISNET. So guys, stay tuned with me to know about the online material which can really boost your preparation. So very first one, follow us on Facebook, also on Insta. If you wanna join online program, visit at manualedu.com/MBA-entrance. If you want a live interaction, then you can call our board line number 8828581455. So let's come to our main point. So friends, tell me first, what is your preparation strategy? Now your exam will be held on the 20th Feb, right? So approx 35 days are left. Okay guys, now with respect to these 35 days, what are your strategies? If you have started your preparation, then I think some of you cleared their 25% of preparations, some of them are at 50% level. Some of the students who have started earlier might prepared with 75 to 80% of their syllabus, and some of the students are on the revision state. So guys, now tell me in the comment box at which particular stage you are. You prepared 25%, 50, 75 to 80, or on a revision state. So then accordingly you have to start your preparations. Make all your strategies. So very first one, you must have the proper resources, because only the proper resources will be the compatible with your exam. So the material should be 100% compatible with the syllabus. It should matches the difficulty level of the exam, right guys? The second most important thing, that is nothing but the mock test. Once you will give the mock test, you will be familiar with lot of parameters which I already discussed in our previous video. So guys, about the mock test, just go to that video and watch that complete video. Definitely you will get lot of ideas how to write the mock test and what exactly the analysis part is. So by giving the mock test, you will be familiar with the paper pattern, the type of questions are there, the difficulty level of the exam. You will be familiar with your strong and weak sections, and overall you will be learn how to handle the time pressure. So guys, these all are the very important factors which can affect your overall preparations. So guys, I suggest if you are any particular stage, even on this or even on this, just start to giving the mock test first. Those who have completed with their preparation, you have to fight the battle of mock test. And those who have not started their preparation yet, so begin with the mock test first. Give 1 to 5 mock tests and analyze yourself. Okay, how much you know about that particular syllabus and that particular exam. Okay, what are the shortcut tricks you already have, how you can think, what is your logical part. So then accordingly start overall preparations. And the third one, the handouts, the most important thing for the practice purpose, because friend, in the entrance exam there is only one thing, you have to practice and more practice, because the practice makes the perfect. So guys, make sure you must have the proper resources, first criteria, second one the mock test, and third one the handout for the practice purpose. So whatever the resources you already have, okay, make sure it should be compatible with the syllabus. And if you want all this material, then friends, just visit at manualedu.com, then just click on the buy online section. Here it is the MBA entrance. These all are the program details, the full course, book study materials, mock test, and if you are lacking in any particular section, then section wise courses are there. So just click on the full course, show packages. Now these all are the programs with respect to the MBA entrance. So guys, here it is all in one, the TISNET 2021 prime program. In this you will get the video lectures, 260 video lectures, 83 handouts, and the 10 mock tests, and which is 100% compatible with all the syllabus. And even you will get the current affair video also. So guys, these all are the storytelling videos. So once you will watch these videos, definitely you will grab each and everything about that particular topic. If you wanna only video lectures and handouts, then you can join to the TISNET Turbo 2021. Just click on view details. Now in this you will get 258 video lectures and 83 handouts. So guys, according to your preparation, you can select any of the programs. But friends, just be focused on your preparation and be stick with your preparation. So guys, get the resources, okay, make all your strategies. And if you want to make the strategies, then you can watch our previous videos on the YouTube and make all your strategies. So guys, only one thing will be remain, that is the preparation. Kickstart your preparation, target 75 to 80 plus. Yes guys, definitely 75 to 80 plus. So get all the boosters. And if you want a preparation for 2021 and even for 2022, then guys join our live lectures. So call on this number or visit manuredu.com/MBA entrance. So this link also mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description. If you want a classroom preparation, then join at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.